So here we are, Aria, me, and the dog. I want to show you how tall the snowbanks are. Hi, Jack. That's Aria standing next to the snowbank next to our driveway. So that one is probably 6 inches over her head. I guess that's pretty good to see. How about let's look at me with it too. Here's me. Here's the dog. Yeah, oh, look up here. This is kind of crazy. So there's that. There's the basketball hoop. Let's have Zoe or Aria go walk up the steps. Oh, you like that side? That's pretty good too. Yeah. All right, now walk up the steps so you can see how tall the snowbanks are and our bushes. All right, keep going. Go down the path. There's the dog. You can see how small the dog is.
We're already almost done.
Oh, this is where Jack pees because if you look right here, yeah, he can't go anywhere. So you can see how tall. Stand up next to there, Zoe. Oh my.
Look right here.
Yeah, Zach can basically lie down in the drifts.
Mom, you ready?
There. Let me see. I'll get that perspective from here. That's pretty funny. Oh my God. So yeah, it's hard to shovel because you have to sling it so far up over your body. This goes all the way down here. Here's Jack's little pea path. It's slowly gotten filled in. He has to run around the house here and through the bushes to go do what he needs to do. One side of the road is cleared. That's good. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks like here in Andover. That's pretty. Oh, here's our bush. If we ever see it again, there goes the dog. Doo-doo-doo.
Mom, you said it would take like an hour. We did it in like 10 minutes.
I forgot how good of a job I did last night. Hold on, Turkey. Hold on. 1 secondo. There goes Aria. I'm not sure what she's doing.
You want us to shovel the deck, Mom?
Yes, that's the next problem. I'm going to go back here
Mom, look at
on the
this one.
pea
Come on,
path.
this
I know. This is...
one. Wait, go, yeah,
Zach. Is that one taller than you, Zach? Stand up. That's the basketball. Here is where we... This is where we used to go swinging on our swing set, but it's half buried up to the
Hey,
top.
Mom, we need to try
Here's the pea path.
Mom, see those icicles?
Oh, yeah.
Jack stands
Oh,
right
yeah.
under them when we let it. We need to let him in because if those fall on him,
That's
then he's going to
terrible.
die.
I didn't notice that, but yeah, we're going to have some ice damming issues. I haven't been able to get up there.
Should I knock some of those down with my shovel so they don't fall on Jack? Because they're going to, and when he's standing there,
I heard you. This is the problem trying to get up our deck. And what we need to do right now.
I'm going to jump off.
Oh, Zach's going to deck jump. Be careful.
Where's your shovel, Zach?
Alright, go ahead. And it's down under there. It's about 6 feet that they're jumping in. Let me see if I can even get up on this deck.
You gotta crawl up the stairs.
You do, because it's so, yeah, this is the problem. So this is what we're going to shovel right now. Huh, yeah, I didn't see those icicles. Holy criminy. There's a poor dog trying
Wow,
to
look
go
at that
pee.
icicle.
I know.
No, Mom,
All right.
look how big